Ready to level up your solar installation skills? Join S5 in Arlington, Texas for a hands-on workshop built for installers and roofing pros like you. Get real-world experience with rooftop solar systems, live demos, and practical installation training designed for the shift towards commercial and industrial projects in 2026. Plus, go behind the scenes with an exclusive tour of the Enphase manufacturing facility. Connect with fellow solar professionals, enjoy food and drinks, and grow your network. And don't miss your chance to win a Milwaukee M18 PACKOUT radio and charger. Spots are limited, so register now and get ready for what's next in solar.